Yo!
Good evening.
Evolutions.
Evolution. So we've all got 2 packs of Evolutions each. This is a very expensive opening now. What are these packs? £25?
£25 each.
So 2 each. Very simple. Who's going to win? So Briggs, what pack arts did you choose?
Am I right in thinking it's these two?
No, I think it's, yeah, there you go. It's Charizard and Venusaur for Briggs, Raichu and Charizard for Dan, and Charizard and Blastoise for Ryan. Me.
There you go, sir.
Me.
No, me.
And there you go, sir.
Thank you very much. So we all picked the Charizard pack for obvious reasons.
Because we want to pull the Charizard, don't
We
we?
just
This was actually your idea, wasn't it, Briggo?
It was a terrible idea. It's for the.
Remember the card trick's different.
What is the card trick?
From the back.
3 from the back, yeah.
I'm feeling generous.
Ooh, very nice. An expensive code card for you.
Oh,
we
we're
don't
not.
give out.
I love you viewers, but I'm not doing that.
I'll only
Okay.
give one. 3 from the back.
Come on, mate. Oh, they just look so retro. I love it.
Nostalgia. Go on then, Briggs.
Are we centering or are we not centering? There we go. What we got? A potion. Meta.
Pod.
Sand.
I hate sand. It's dry as course.
Horse. I like that Magnemite one.
Yellow Cheeks Pikachu.
Machop. Good things.
Ooh, that's so nice.
And
A
Doug
Doug
Trio.
Trio.
Oh, Evolutions is so fun to open, isn't it?
It's so
It's
nostalgic.
like a nostalgic. Right, come on then.
So in
Since
terms
I've
of chases, I think apart from the Charizard, Dan would like a reverse electric energy.
I saw that.
What? What did you say?
The other side.
A Growlithe.
Was it?
I won't
Yeah.
give that way.
What
That
was
will
it?
be going.
I want the reverse Arcanine. And yeah, you want the reverse electric energy, don't you?
Yes.
We'll get it for you now, Dan.
Cheers, mate.
You got one for us? Thank you. Coffin. Maintenance. Oh, a
I think
secret
that's a
rare.
secret rare, yeah.
What?
Secret rare in that set.
Your boy.
Growlithe.
Ghastly.
That's ghastly.
Good things.
Ciao.
Start.
Do-do-do-do.
Ooh, very nice. Ah.
He's
Ooh.
out of luck.
So Arbella next time, Briggo.
But
Do you want to go next time?
Yeah, I'll go next.
Go for it.
better luck next time, they say.
Do you want to keep that?
Yeah.
It's very clean, isn't it?
It is clear. I've got to get out of the way now.
You did it.
You did it.
After you, Dan.
Cheers, chum.
We've got the Charizard playmat back in. If you hadn't seen our recent video on Champions Path, go check it out. You'll know why we have the playmat still down.
It brings us luck.
It does.
Right, I'm going to defy all taboos.
Yeah.
I'm going to go Charizard first
Whoa, what?
because I have more faith in the electric type.
Like
Taboo.
it. Like it.
Well, they're nice and easy to open, aren't they?
3 from the back. From there. 3 from the back.
Would you like? I'll keep you back at that. Because I'll have the blast towards one round if you keep it neat.
Yeah, I'll try to, yes, maybe. You know what I'm like.
But you can just try your best.
Ooh.
Double colourless energy.
No.
Kakuna Matata. Machop. Weedlegate.
Weedlegate.
Doduo. Staryu. Onyx.
Legend.
A reverse hollow switch. And an electrode.
Hey, I mean, you'll take that.
I'll take it. The electric types are with me.
I'm one with the balls.
The force is with me. A bitch. Right. Come on, Raichu. Let's do bits.
Did
Oh,
you?
they're so easy to open.
Yeah. So you best say that.
I will, yeah,
Oh,
I will do
I've
my-
ruined that one.
Yeah.
Absolutely
Yeah,
ruined
easy
it.
to open, not easy to keep nice.
Do better than him. Come on, then, Dingo.
Come on. Pokedex. Haunter. Energy Retrieval. Tangler. Vulpix.
Ooh.
Fire Energy. Voltorb.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Charmander.
Does it mean good things to come?
Reverse Hollow Sandshrew.
Oh! That's big for Dan.
I love it!
Bosh!
Bash! You love it, don't you?
There you go. That's
Oh,
what you needed, right?
I need that. So if anyone knows, I love Zapdos. My favourite Pokemon, and
That is really clean.
You've got base set.
I do have base set. Thanks to you.
Well, now thanks to you, you've got.
Nice.
That's a win for me. I'll take that.
mate.
Oh,
Even the reverse hollows are nice.
that is
Really
snazzy, man.
nice. Condition on that is perfect as well.
Mint condish.
You gonna crazy?
Might do. Probably get
Right.
annoyed.
Right, Dan, you're up. You're one up.
Okay, now my turn.
Do you want to say?
No,
So, Blastoise and Charizard. I'm going to try and save the pack for Brigo. So let's have a look. Whether we can. No.
But you still got the front. Keep them. I swear you do it purposely, just to anger me.
I do not. I'm being as careful as... What the hell? It was open at the bottom already. Oh,
look at the
dear.
trickery
I
going
don't
on.
like this. I do not like
Nice.
this. But what in earth? Right, I don't usually show the colour of the code card, but what the hell is that?
Oh no.
It's very off centre.
Okay, well, let's hope the cards.
Absolutely jokes in the Charizard in this. PSA 1.
PSA 1 crimped
Put a
version.
hole in it.
Okay, so Metapod.
Oh,
A secret
Secret
rare.
rare.
A secret rare Imakuni's Doduo. Haunter. Vulpix. Sandshrew. Onyx. Magikarp. Punching Energy. Reverse Hollow
You'd
Voltorb.
like that, wouldn't you, Dan?
Oh,
I
Nidoking.
picked the two worst.
Holographic.
cards.
Thank you.
very
Well,
nice.
That wasn't searched, was it? Right?
No, I don't think it was searched. But yeah, and the Voltorb for Dan. Here we
Oh
go.
boy.
So,
I think these are the coolest reverse hollows.
they are.
Wow. You lucky boy.
Charizard on the pack.
Just said that one nice one. You've already got it, but appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries. Okay. Professor Oak's hint.
Hint. No.
There you go. Maintenance. Staryu. Metal Energy.
Cool energy.
Growlithe. Ghastly. Charmander. Reverse
Oh,
Hollow
nice.
Hitmonchan. And a Farfetch'd.
There's always going to be a bit.
That's a
Probably
bit
lost.
far-fetched. Yes, you possibly did lose that one.
Do you want that sleeve in?
What the...
Hitmonchan.
No, it's okay.
What did you say? It was a draw, or would you win?
I think we both got a regular holo, Nidoking and Zapdos. I'm going to give the victory to you, though, because you pulled a collection card.
Oh,
There you
that's
go.
very
So,
kind
so
of you. And you
Dan,
pulled me a
Dan,
collection card as
Dan takes the victory. So we'll give our main two highlights as those ones there. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Very expensive pack battle.
well. Very.
Always good fun.
Oh well.
Good laugh.
We
That's,
love
all,
it.
that's what we're here
That's what
for.
we're here for.
Until next time. Catch you later, guys.
Bye.
That's